Hello everyone. Today's presentation will be over the Adaptive Water Resource Management Plan for lithium mining and Salar de Atacama salt flat. This presentation was made for EVSP 501, Environmental Management, with the professor being Dr. Daniel Reed. The presenter and creator is Hunter Quinn Dodd, with the presentation being created on February 18th, 2023. Hunter is an environmental scientist located in Longview, Texas, and currently holds a bachelor's in environmental science with a concentration in sustainability. Hunter's background in water treatment solutions and environmental protection led him to the idea of creating a hydrologically focused adaptive management plan for lithium mining in the Salar de Atacama salt flat of Chile. The agenda for this presentation includes highlighting the presenter and desired audience, giving a brief overview of the topic expressed in the Adaptive Management Plan, presenting the plan's vision statement, showing alternative methods that could be used to protect and conserve the freshwater resources of the Salar de Atacama region, and to give the success criteria that will be used to measure the productivity of the management plan. So the topic stems around these four key issues. The first key issue being that our modern energy transition is depleting vital resources such as freshwater, groundwater depletion, and lithium refining processes, and it's consequently aiding biodiversity loss in this region, the Salar de Atacama region. The local governments also in Chile are not well equipped to manage the social and environmental outcomes of lithium mining and extraction. The indigenous people within Salar de Atacama are seeing diminished groundwater resources at the expense of lithium mining and refining companies. And lastly, the localities are becoming dependent on these stakeholders as employers and as revenue seekers. In the management plan, there are also ideas that are expressed which include adequate recharging of these fresh groundwater resources. This could be done by direct recharge injection of processed water from surrounding bodies of water, such as the South Pacific Ocean, which would require desalination. Biodiversity conservation measures can also be taken, or the environmental law in Chile can be revised to protect these specific species that are under threat, and then to influence and invest into industrial sustainability, such as the addition of these desalination plants and water treatment plants to increase freshwater resource availability. The management overview includes modeling the lithium extraction process in the Atacama salt flat region and introducing various alternative methods, highlighting data-driven impacts lithium mining and extraction has on the groundwater resources of the indigenous people within Salar de Atacama, and then structuring this adaptive management plan based on temporal impacts, Chilean resource policy, alternative method outcomes, and water resource conservation effectiveness. The vision statement for this management plan is to embrace the need for freshwater resources of all Chileans and focus on protecting Salar de Atacama's beautiful resources from mineral extraction. With adaptive management practices and data synthesis, this plan will address the complex intricacies within Chile's lithium industry. Certain alternatives in the management plan that could be used for freshwater resource conservation include 1. Desalination infrastructure to support fresh groundwater usage. 2. To use water recapture technology to recycle fresh water from the lithium mining process. And 3. To recharge fresh groundwater resources around Salar de Atacama through direct reinjection pumps, making sure to use treated water to prevent contamination. The success criteria for this management plan is to conserve a sustainable quantity of freshwater resources for Chileans, to make sure non-utilization of fresh groundwater resources for lithium refining processes is met, to have a presence of water recapture and purification infrastructure that is incorporated into the lithium refining process, to make reforms to the Chilean Water Code for groundwater rights and to the Decree Law 2.886 of 1979 regarding lithium mining, and lastly, to form a Chilean labor union for lithium mining employees. These are the references that were used for the presentation. Thank you.